Hello, State Stegosaurus here again with another wonderful level from KLDCX. We got first an image from Big Brawler, which is a cat staring at a bunch of hot dogs, which is right to the right side. It's wonderful, makes me want to have a hot dog. And I feel jealous that the cat has so many. But now we go into entry number 4, a plumber's plight. Alliteration. Loading. What is loading? File 1, I guess. KLDC presents Super Mario and Plumber's Plight. Adventure awaits! Mario's journey begins. Okay, we got a level. Okay, it's not too bad so far, and I died now. Really embracing the silent film movement. Do I have to start talking like a old-timey character from this time period? Or like, jeez. Gee willikers, people. We got quite a situation here with old Mario here. Hopefully you can make it out of this quite alright. Oh, drat. Swinging a miss, he had a tumble into the ground. Oh geez, he got penetrated by those papyrus spikes. Papyrus spikes? I have no idea. Jeez. Hold on, let me get some of that fine old insulation that we have, known as asbestos, to help with the fall. Oh darn. Come on, Mario, I believe in you. Oh no, he fell into the hole. Oh no, he jumped too late. He triggered that spider from doing his spidey things. That time, but he still took a tumble. Maybe he'll make it next time. Mario can only take so much abuse before he has to do some therapy. Oh no! Did it again. I believe in you, Mario. Right into the spikes. How the heck the sides of spikes hurt you when the point is on the tip? Are they sharpened blades instead? Then why are they called spikes? Maybe they should be ice picks. Oh no! He did it again. Triggered that spider too soon. Crafty little bastard he is. Midway! Hooray! He got a midway, people! Halfway through the journey of this level, section, whatever it may be, but it's the second section of this level now. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. He wants to get on the way. He wants to save the world. He's on a journey. He's gonna find a way out of here. This mysterious forest is kind of weird, and we're gonna find a way out. Oh, there was a spike there. Gotta, darn. Maybe I need to wait a little bit longer than that falling leaf. How can Mario first off stand on a leaf? There must be some secret to this. You need to kind of go right away on that third spider there. Oh no! Right. He'll figure this out. Come on, Mario, I believe in your abilities to do these jumps. If not you, then who? Oh, goodness gracious, he made it. I should have probably just held jump there. Take a little bit longer to fall down that hole. Oh! Yeah, you hold that jump right there, then you fall a little bit slower, and then you can make that jump over. Darn. All right, Mario, come on, I believe in you. You can do this. Hey, jump. Again, how does he stand on that leaf? It must be some kind of magic or trickery. I don't know, black magic, white magic, who knows? Red magic? Blue magic. Ooh, he got over. He's going. He's made it. Oh, shoot! You gotta hold on to that jump button when you fall off so you can get a little bit more air time onto that spider there. Crafty little buggers. Well, crafty little arachnids, I should be saying. Am I right, folks? Oh! Oh no, those spikes are so low! And Mario just keeps hitting his head on them. Like, that must not be pleasant whatsoever. Hey, okay, he made it over, people. He's getting there. He is quite the hero, people. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ almighty. Oh, no, he waited a little too long to make that jump. He's got to be a little bit faster, folks. If he's not fast enough, he's not going to make it over those spikes, which are really not spikes. They're like swords or something. Okay. Oh no, he fell again. Those spiders are really crafty. It's like they're not playing fair. Like they don't want Mario to win. Like, why wouldn't you want Mario to win? He's the hero of this story, isn't he? Unless he isn't. There we go. Right over those spikes. Oh, right into that spike again. Drat! Oh no! Oh! Yeah, really hold on to that. You know, like, not control jump, but like just regret or something. I don't know, folks. There we go. Something like that. That feels much better on the hands. I mean, Mario's feet. Oh no, he fell again. slippery leaves. Remember, folks, when water rains on those leaves, it can be a lot more dangerous than the petroleum on the asphalt. Asphalt's been invented in the 1920s, hasn't it, folks? I'm not sure. I think so. I don't know, maybe it's modern-day magic. There wasn't concrete yet. Yeah, there was concrete, I think. I don't know. They're gonna soon find out I'm not from the 1920s and I'm an actual fraud. Alright, come on, Mario. I believe in you. Oh, geez, Mario. Keep hitting those spikes and it's gonna hurt you so much later on. Hey, Wilkers. Now that actually kind of works out pretty nicely too when you do it like that, Mario. How about that? When you're crafty, when you want to be, you can do some pretty neat stuff. Oh no! Oh no! Hero took a tumble into the abyss! Oh gee Wilkers! Oh no, we're in the abyss! How are there flavors underground? There's no sunlight to protect them. Oh no, the the gems and the gems are as sharp as anything else in this world. Jeez. Huh. All right, we got this, folks. Mario and his adventurous attitude will get out of here, right? Oh no, too late. All right, folks, we got this. Almost, Mario. You can do it. I believe in you. Like that? Okay, we got this, folks. Oh no! Too fast of a reaction time for Mario and his little feetsies. But he's got this. He's the hero of time. Hey, isn't that Zelda? And Zelda can take it later. And the Zelda Kaizo level design contest, we can worry about that later. KLDCX. Alright, he goes. He makes the jump. Oh no, right into the spikes and the fire. He was burnt and stabbed to death. Jeez. My only question in this whole situation is why can't he step on the gemstones? He has shoes. Possibly boots even. He is a plumber, so he should be prepared for that kind of environment. But who knows? I don't know. That's why today's sponsor for the KLDCX for this level is good old Caterpillar, Red Wing, and, Timberland boots, which were definitely around in the 1920s, I believe it. Why wouldn't they be? When you get some slip-resistant and steel-toed boots, you can protect yourself from all environments possible, unlike Mario here. Oh no! You did it again! Right onto those gemstones. Again, gemstones. How in the world are they? Oh my god, his face got impaled by that Stalagmite. Stalactite? Stalagmite? I don't know, it's one of the others. Oh no! Oh, it's another midway! Oh, Jesus Louises! Oh, jeez! This is the 4th section! How much more mayhem can Mario take? I have no idea! Oh, no! Oh, jeez! Oh, my! There's a flying Koopa! Koopas fly in this world! I have been stomping on them with Mario, but I am still perplexed by this. Huh. Oh, Jesus. Come on, Mario, we believe in you. Gosh darn, that jump is tough on Mario's little booty. Booties, not his booty. You'll get fired for this stuff. Kids watch this. Do you want to get fired by the publishers and the world? Like, the Roaring 20s have been going really good for us. Nothing bad could happen in the 20s, right, folks? Geez, that spike is really in the way, isn't it? And again, gemstones on shoes does not make sense to me, but, you know, Mario must have some soft toes. Oh, no! Oh no! He missed it again! Oh darn, you're not supposed to spin jump right there, you're supposed to do a normal jump, Mario! Oh no! Darn! Gotta make that jump, you gotta get over that hill! Oh, wasn't too bad! Oh no! Rick, Mario, Rick! Jesus Christ! How was I supposed to know what was gonna happen there? Come on, Mario, we believe in you! I'm surprised that Mario's not even blind yet. He should be with all the spike impaling in the eyes. Gee willikers, this is a tougher section than before. It's maybe not, I'm just making it tougher on myself, which is very much, oh my goodness gracious. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph ran right into that with my eyes. Come on, Mario. Gotta fall on that. Oh no! go! Mario, go! Go, Mario! Oh no, those... How would I have been able to get over that? Jump better, Mario! Gotta rely on your feet! Oh no, he forgot the spin jump! Oh, the horrors! Everyone knows you can't land on flowers with just a normal jump. They'll kill you. How my granddad went back in the 1830s. Poor fella stepped on a crack with a flower coming out of it, and that flower just ended him like anyone else. Oh no! I have a weird ringtone. Ringtones don't exist. Hold Oh, sorry about that, folks. It was just a phone call. And we're gonna do this again. Oh no! All right, Mario, you go right into the fire pollen. Tell you, those plants are dangerous. I've seen it with my own 2 eyes. A plant take a man out and is just his prime. Oh no! Regular jumps again. Come on, Mario, you can do it. All right, Mario, you got this time. Oh no! Trapped! Right on those gemstones. Oh no, right again! You gotta stay right in that middle area section, Mario! You gotta avoid them pollen fires! Whatever they are. Now, this would have been asbestos, perfectly fine situation. Oh no, he's into the castle! A mighty castle appears, our hero ventures within! It never ends for Mario! Oh Jesus! Fire! Oh no! Gee willikers! The fire is fierce! I gotta use a little spin jumperoo right there. Boo! Oh geez, the spikes up there are just treacherous. Well, I believe in you, Mario. You got this. Oh no! Wow! Just gets tighter and tighter as the event. I forgot to spin it! Gosh jolly! Oh, this is not good. You just gotta go, folks. Don't wait for the missus to, finish her conniptions. right away you gotta go. Don't think about it. Just make the deal to commit. Just like I committed to my life and my wife. Oh no! Oh! Oh, geez! That's a scary section. Oh no! The fire got me again in the butt! Mario's gonna be feeling this in the morning, that's for sure. Gotta jump really high. Oh no! You're supposed to keep going, my goodness gracious! Oh no! Well, that was kind of what you were supposed to do, but better next time, Mario, and not die! We're supposed to spin jump again. Darn. Mario's adventure is going to continue in this castle. And what is he going to find at the end of this castle? Hidden treasure? Also, who put so much fire inside of their house? My goodness gracious, it could just light up like anything else in this world. Oh no, right on the spikes again. Oh darn. Those skull and crossbone balls are also rather dangerous, aren't they? Right into the fire! You can't hesitate there, Mario. If you hesitate, you're gonna die. And we don't want you dying on us. You're the hero of this story. Heroes don't die. Oh, gee willikers there. Yeah, do a little stall if you want to survive that attack. Oh no, right in the butt. I mean, the tush. We don't use that word. That's a bad word. Oh no, forgot the spin jump again. Jeez Louise. Oh no! Makes the jump, keeps it going. Oh no! Right into the butt. Mario, you gotta jump a lot better if you want to avoid getting your butt, you know, oh, sorry, tush. I'm gonna have to say some Hail Marys tonight if I want to get into the heavens. You gotta keep it going, Mario. Can't stop. Won't stop. Can't stop. Gotta get it. Can't stop, won't stop, can't stop, won't get it. As they say in these neck of the woods. You gotta do a slight delay there so you don't get burnt to a crisp on that little fire bar. Oh no! Oh, there's the midway! You missed the jump, Mario! Oh no! You're missing the fire that you can spit on, Mario! Now how can you touch that fire but not the other fire? Makes no sense to me! Again, white magic, black magic, blue magic, red magic, I have no idea! It's all sorcery to me. Oh no! Can't even make the first jump anymore, Mario! You're getting a little tired? Quite possible you haven't had your daily cigarettes. Take that edge off of you. Jesus Louises, Mario, and you got the midway. Whoa! How are you supposed to have a chance? Jeez Louise! Oh, how was I supposed to know the spin jump right there? You expect us to be mind readers? Because we aren't. And I screwed up again. But we gotta do some normal jumps now, we know that. Oh, geez Louise! I wasn't ready for that. Scared the bejesus out of me. Gotta hold a jump and then make that jump. Gotta make it. All right, Mario. Oh, Jesus Louises. Well, at least Mario took that one fella out at the same time. Teach them a lesson. on, Mario, you gotta make these jumps. These are just beginner jumps at this point. Oh, you forgot the spin jump again, Mario. Gee willikers. There you go, Mario. Oh, geez, you stalled a little too long right there. If you don't do it fast enough, you're gonna die right there. Oh, oh, I like to do scat every once in a while, folks. Darn. Gotta hold that jump button. Oh, darn! You're missing out, Mario. Gotta do a little bit of better job. You're starting to slow down. You're starting to get hit. There you go. Gotta go fast. There, down. Ba-da-bum. Bum. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum. Oh no! Oh no! Maybe you gotta stay there a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I got lucky at one time and I shouldn't have gotten lucky. Darn, that fire bar is pretty high. Oh no, you did it again, Mario. You're supposed to spin jump there. Well, now you know. And you'll probably forget again because that is the habit you have. I don't want to do the pause strat. Fix myself, but I might have to if I keep forgetting myself. Oh, darn. Come on, Mario, I believe in you. Oh, no! Jeez Louise! My wife, Thelma's not going to be happy with me taking so long to beat a single level. Christ almighty! I got scared and it kind of screwed with me. Oh geez, I can't say the word screwed. I got foiled. The devil's gonna be getting at me soon enough. Another set of Hail Marys and our fathers are gonna make sure I get to the heavens. Gotta hold that jump button once you land. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no! You hit right into the side of that spike. Again, how are sides of spikes killing you? Mario? Doesn't make sense to me. You're supposed to hold on to that jump button after you land. Oh no! geez Louise. Darn, right into those spikes again. Keep forgetting about them. There we go, now we remember. And you have to do a regular jump, Mario. A regular jump, not a spin jump. You can't jump high enough with that. Oh no! Right into the spikes again. Oh. Gotta make that fireball up top, Mario. You can't keep missing the beginning of the section all the time. What will people think of you if you can't even do the simplest things? It's a crown of jewels! A triumphant and Mario conquers his epic journey! The end! That's the end of the story, people! Alright, we're gonna cut it off. Oh, well, it just kind of ends there. No, it just ends. Okay. Fantastic level. I was happy to be here. My final remarks. Wonderful time classic music. Fits the level specifics. Great old, good old platforming. You can't go wrong with just some good old platforming. You got the theme right, and the little sections and cutscenes were just pretty. Until then, make sure that you get this fellow stay-at-home Stegosaurus some more pictures and more things to add to this overlay, because he'll want them for the next set of levels. Until then, sayonara, folks.